Hello there. Let's have a quick technical analysis on Foot Locker. You may know in pre-market, Foot Locker was down a lot, something like 30% because of their price warning. So how do you react to its price warning by using technical analysis intraday? Let me show you my drawing or my technical analysis here. This is the day chart for Foot Locker. As you can see, in the downtrend, there's two trading platforms. And in the second trading platform, if we use a tool called Fibonacci extension, let me show you how to use it. By using it is to measure the in platform flow and out platform flow. In this way, we can measure the ratio, the inflow and outflow. As you can see, there's a key supporting level at around 16, price $16. And in pre-market, it's under this 16 price currently. So intraday, what's the strategy then? Intraday, if it cannot go above 16, then short it. It will down to $9. If it go above $16, then you could just go long it, and then it will rebound as long as it's not touched anything within this trading platform. It will go another down. So let me summarize it. So 16 is the key price level. Below it, short it. Above it, long it. But it's only for short-term trading. All right, that's all.